Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I forgot to mention this was 46 millimeter nut for the front sprocket. Over here you've got to grind off the rivet chain, which it looks different than all the rest. It has 2 hollow sections, and then I've got a press to press it all out. So I need to grind this off first. Okay, just moved you to a new position. This is the chain link I want to remove. I have this tool with the pin. Should be the right size, hopefully. Need to fit in the right size. That screws through and should push the pin through. Just find the spanner. If I'm doing something wrong, not sure, I'll just plod along. And the idea of loosening this while this is together, because the chain helps keep the sprocket still, and doing this while this is on helps keep the chain still. So once they're both loose, I can take them off fairly easily. That might be through. It's gone a bit easy, so I think that's through. with rubber seals. So when I put it back together, I'll buy a whole new link with the new seals. You can get them with C-clips that you put in the direction of travel, but they do say that they can break easier than what this style does. And this is another song I wrote about riding my silver Classic 500. Dug, 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 dug. That's the sound that the exhaust makes. Okay, back through. Now I can just feed the chain through. Hopefully. Be careful with your fingers. There's lots of pinch spots. Might be easier just to take these off. Funny how the simple things still get stuck in the way. And now I can turn the back wheel and remove the chain. I think that's about as far as I can go today until I get the puller to remove this.